So I just got this pile dumped. Got it home from the pine tree I did today. Then I did a bunch of trimming on some trees in my house. So I'm gonna use my torch and get this thing going, see how it goes up. Fine is fine. It burns fine, especially brush. There's a lot of pine on top. And this is why pine cores go up and like it's nothing. It's almost like putting kerosene on the fire. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's embers flying everywhere. So you can see how a forest fire spreads with pine. All it takes is one of them little sparks that's flying out of there to land somewhere. Hope it don't land on my skid loader. There's two of my trees I trimmed yesterday. Got all them lower branches off of there. And then I got a walnut behind me that we got all the lower branches off that too. It'll make the farmer happy because they were like leaning way over to his field. My apple trees, that's why I'm not worried about having a fire here, because they're like half dead. They just need to be probably cut down. Look, she's starting pretty good now. I can feel it all the way back here now. It's hot. Anyway, I'm doing this is because I live in a small town. And the last time I went and dumped there, they were questioning me. They have cameras out there, and I said I was doing a tree in town. And then they wanted to know what the address was of the tree I did in town. And I gave them the address, and then they said, well, you don't have a license. So even a small town of like $2,000 or 2,000 people are wanting you to get a tree license. She goes, well, it's only $10, but they want to know everything about you. So I just decided, I got 1.2 acres. I'm going to make my own burn pile. And I don't have to worry about it. I got corn. No, actually, they're beans this year behind me and on the side of me. And then corn's on the other side of that driveway. But there's not really anything that catches on fire back here. She's a sizzling. Oh yeah, we're enjoying a cold beverage tonight too. I just cut this pine tree down yesterday evening, and I went and cleaned it up today. So she's green, but they burn like crazy. I didn't put any chemicals or on this fire. All I used was that propane torch. I can't believe the camera's not picking up those embers that are flying around. Luckily, most of them look like they're landing like right there. There's some you can see on the camera. So this is one pine tree minus the main stem, and then I trimmed two walnut trees and one silver maple tree. So the one on the left is a walnut, and then the one to the right is a silver maple. Next I gotta trim that pine tree over there so it's off my shed. And then the next is that big old silver maple over there by the house. That really needs trimmed up. Look at that smoke rolling out. Maybe I should drop this apple tree, pick it up with the grapple and put it in the fire. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Sorry about the tilt and everything. I'm trying to get my, there we go. I got my little tripod here to sit straight. I don't have to hold it. Woo, she's getting hot. Now this is what I call a recreation fire. Is it getting better than this? Okay, I'm gonna start my mowing back up because I'm getting. Those flames are shooting almost as tall as an apple tree.